Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money online, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $100 per hour doing microtasks. Yes, you heard that right, $100 per hour. These microtasks are simple, quick, and can be done from the comfort of your home. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos on how to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the tips and tricks I have in store for you. And drop a comment below letting me know which country you're watching from. I'd love to create content tailored just for you. Alright, let's get started. One of the best platforms for microtasks is Telus Digital. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. It's available internationally so you can get started from anywhere in the world. Whether you're in the US, Europe, Asia, or Africa, Telus Digital has opportunities for you. Telus Digital offers jobs that help train AI and many different types of microtasks. These tasks range from data entry, content moderation, to even more specialized tasks like language translation and software testing. These tasks can pay you anywhere from $10 to $100 per hour, depending on the complexity and requirements of the job. Imagine making $100 an hour just by completing simple tasks online. To start finding jobs, head over to the All Jobs tab on their website. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the available tasks. Here you'll see a wide variety of tasks available. From simple data entry to more complex tasks like software testing, there's something for everyone. If you have a specific skill or job in mind, you can use the search bar to find it. This makes it super easy to find tasks that match your skills and interests, and if you're not sure where to start, just scroll down to the bottom to see some of the offers they have. You'll be surprised at the variety of tasks available. The great thing about Telus Digital is that there's a low barrier to entry. You don't need any special qualifications or experience to get started. Anyone can sign up, and they have a diverse range of jobs that cater to all levels: beginners, intermediates, and highly experienced professionals. This inclusivity makes it a fantastic platform for everyone. This means whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, you can find something that suits your skills and start earning right away. It's a great way to build your resume and gain experience while making money. So if you're ready to start making money online with microtasks, give Telus Digital a try. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and lets me know that you enjoy this type of content. Remember to share it with your friends and family who might also be interested. The more people we can help, the better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated on future videos. I have a lot more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy earning.